Are they silent?
Uh,
Hello,
Silent.
good morning, Akshika. Welcome to
Good
an
morning,
old
ma'am.
board. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Very nice. Thank you so much. First, I want to thank Mr. PK Goel for having given the connection to you. And then when I saw your post and about your
Thank
writing,
you.
yeah. Akshika, can we? I'm not able to see you clearly. And everyone who's watching us live or who's going to
Yes,
watch
yes.
this later, this is to
Yeah,
tell
yeah.
you that
Now
we
it's
are
okay.
having. Yes, yes, perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you, Akshika. We are having technical glitches today, so please be a little patient. Um,
Yeah.
Akshika is an author, and she has now, I think, written almost 7 books, and we are so happy to be
That's
able
it.
to
Book.
host her. Thank you, Akshika. Akshika, can you tell us a little bit more about your books and about yourself? Can you please share your journey with us?
Yeah. Ma'am, I'm an author on wheelchair.
Okay.
When I was in my college life, I got liking about reading books and writing it. So it was my dream to become an author.
Wonderful,
So
wonderful.
when I was severely ill, I couldn't move out in the corporate world to do a job. But as you know, as a person with disability, also have a desire to move out and to work. But I have some limitations, so I have to keep that limitations in mind. I started writing books. My first book was Pyar Ke Rang on love. I broke all the boundaries about the myths of about love stories. So I wrote 10 books about love stories.
Wow, wow. Very
It
nice.
broke
Wonderful.
all the boundaries and became bestsellers.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Wonderful.
I got inspired and I wanted to tell everyone that disability, people with disability have also have the urge to find a friend. As you know, many of us can't find a friend because each each one of us having limitations to move out, and some of us move out so people don't interact with us easily. So I wrote Dosti Zindagi Hai in as my second book.
Very nice. Very nice. So, Akshika, can I ask you a question? You are masters in English. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And then, but you're writing in English and Hindi. How did you decide to write in Hindi?
I wrote Hindi for my family. My family is not to go no parents are not were not too good in English. So they said we want to read your work. So I wrote in English, Hindi.
Wonderful.
Then I
Wonderful.
got a test to English after one tribute to my late mother Ranjana Agarwal. I
Okay.
wrote that book in Hindi also.
Uh-huh.
जिंदगी गरम दी माँ की ममता शीतल छाव.
So true.
Then after that, I wanted to change my language, so I wrote 3 books in English.
I see. Very nice. So tell me a little bit about your childhood and your parents, your schooling, and where did you do your masters? How did you manage? Please tell us a little bit about that. And we want your story to be inspirational, to be motivational for people, for parents, for children,
Mm.
and for the world to see that, Akshika is laying out a path which others can follow. Please share with us a little bit about your journey, Akshika.
Okay, okay, okay. Ma'am, my story is full of adventures, happy moments, and full of happy moments and grateful moments. Still, yes.
So,
As
Akshika,
I was,
Akshika, I'm going to interrupt you. I'm seeing more of your rear than your face. Could you just move the camera a little bit towards yourself? Though the
Yeah,
scenery is
that's
beautiful, I
okay.
want to see you. Yes, yes. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry I'm asking you to do this midway, but we want to see you when you're telling us about yourself. Please go ahead. Please go
Yeah,
ahead.
yeah, yeah. I was born to Mr. and Mrs. Ranjana Agarwal. My father's name is Mr. Anand Agarwal.
Mm-hmm.
I have two more siblings, younger to me, but
Uh-huh.
they are supportive as they can do.
Mm.
Uh, then I have urged to get education since birth,
Mm-hmm.
as I have faced many difficulties in getting into the normal school from the very beginning. So I entered the educational world by a special school called Adi,
Mm.
where I did my education till 10th uh, there, and by coming up towards a modern era, awareness about disabilities began to rise.
Mm-hmm.
Then some of normal stream schools were agreed to take us as a student. So I did 10th and 12th from the Father Agnes School in Delhi. I completed my BA till regular college, and now I am holding a degree of masters from IGNOU,
Wonderful.
master from IGNOU University, very reputed University of India.
Right.
And
Can I?
then I
Mm-hmm.
was a, was not able to enter the corporate world because of my health and my health and my limitations. But everyone has a urge to earn, so I started writing, and they got acknowledgement up to the national level. So I make it as a profession and wrote 6 books. And I
Wonderful.
am curator of anthologies also. I have curated in 150 anthologies.
Wonderful. So 150 anthologies is a lot, and I believe how do you write? Do you write uh, with your hand, or do you use some device machine? And again, you've gone out little bit of the frame. Please come back, and
Yeah,
yeah, tell me a little bit, and please, anybody who's watching this now or later, you can post your comments. Please feel free to do that and motivate and encourage Akshika
yeah.
and me to conduct these conversations. Akshika, tell me a little bit about what device do you use, how do you communicate, what do you do? Please tell us a little bit about
I
that.
always use mobile to for writing and for communication because due to the low vision, I can't operate my laptop as my
Okay.
body leans to the left. As you can see, I'm
Right.
leaning to the left. It is making me pressurized to sit the straight. So I
Oh,
always use my mobile in any circumstances.
right. So I'm sorry, please don't tilt your body if it's uncomfortable, but you can maybe move the camera angle in a way in which we can see you, and
Yeah, yeah.
otherwise, no problem. It's
पापा
perfectly fine. Your voice is more
इधर करो.
important. Your message is more important
ठीक
to
है.
us.
Now it is
Very,
okay.
yes, thank you very much. Thank you. You're doing good. So Akshika, so from you said you're not using laptop and mobile, or are you using the what do you then from there? How do you have the publishers approached you, or do you approach the publisher? Tell us a little bit about that.
I approached the publisher.
Hmm. And
I am a
do
self-made publisher. I'm a
self-publishing.
self-publisher.
Very good, very nice, wonderful. So these books, what kind of feedback do you get from people? Tell us a little bit about that.
Everyone liked my book.
Mm,
Uh, I made the book on love got best-selling award,
wow,
and
congratulations.
people liked it. The most of the books got positive response only, no negative response.
No, no, not at all. Positive response. I'm sure that there is positive response. What kind of responses did people say that even now I feel like writing, or your book made us understand our family members better, or our friends better? Have you received those kind of responses from people,
Yes.
which is encouraged and motivated? Yeah, Akshika, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have a YouTube channel. Tell us a little bit about your YouTube channel, please.
My YouTube channel is dedicated to my late mother.
Mm,
I opened it to spread her stories worldwide.
wonderful, wonderful.
Then I
Tell us.
liked
Yeah.
then I liked posting my story there. So
Mm,
till up there I'm posting my stories, my blogs
okay.
about my book, my promotion.
Okay. So, Akshika, if you had a dream now, we are almost at the end of 2025, and some of your dreams are realized by your books. If you have a dream in 2026, what would it be? What would you like to be? Your dream, what dream would
I
you like to?
wanted to make these books reach the sky, highest sky of the वर्ल्ड मतलब इतनी ऊंचाई पे चली जाए कि कोई उसको आज मेरे को बोलना ना पड़े कि ये बुक खरीद लो.
Book. Okay, very very nice. Or out. I know it's like being if it's your favorite friend, all your books are your friends, and then to ask you to tell which one is your favorite friend, it's very difficult. But can you tell me which one is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Enter the World of Fantasy
Mm.
because I wrote that book for my little nephew who
Oh,
turned up one yesterday.
oh, so sweet. Wishing him happy birthday. And I hope in time he realizes what a lovely dedication and love you've shown for him. Akshika,
Yes.
you have written in different genres. Yeah, you're not fixed to one. You've written thrill, I think, and fantasy, science fantasy. How does it come to you that you should use different, why do you feel the need to write
I
in different
wanted to
fantasy?
be versatile. Don't want that people keep reading about my one genre only.
Oh,
I believe that one should be a versatile.
very nice.
Can produce different types of flavor to the readers, to their fans, to anyone in the world. Whether it
Very,
is uh, whether it is in singing, dancing, or restaurant hospitality, anytime one should be versatile.
very, very good. Tell us, and thank you for that. We should. You are right. Actually, everything, a flavor of everything, is always a little bit good. Tell us a little bit about your life when you're not writing books. What else do you like to
I
do?
was
What are your
very ill that times. When
sorry?
I completed my masters, I
Mm.
was very ill.
Oh,
I
I
was
see.
entering to the ICU several times. So
Okay.
it never demotivated me.
Mm.
I always wanted to do something. So the first book on love, Pyar Ke Rang, I wrote it on ICU room, at ICU room and ICU bed. And the doctor was amazed that doing so.
Of course, we are also amazed. So, Akshika, one question for you: the cover page, the artwork, and all that. Who does all that for you, or are you doing it yourself?
Publisher. The cover page of fantasy wala book, Enter
Mm.
the World of Fantasy, I did that.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, my publisher self.
Publishers, they do it. Very nice. So, all support and kudos to your publishers for supporting you.
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
this is also a call to other publishers that they should. Do you want to say who your publisher is so we can acknowledge them and thank them in public, Akshika?
Yes, yes.
Who's the publisher?
Am I looking in good
Yes.
posture?
Yes, yes, you are. You are. You are.
Uh,
And so, who's the publisher, Akshika? Who's your publisher?
for my first four books, it is tedious publication.
Mm.
I published प्यार के रंग दोस्ती ही जिंदगी है Zindagi Garam Dhoop, Maa Ki Mamta, Sheetal Chhav,
Uh,
and Roll Like a Lion with them. The fifth one was Everlasting Publication. I published Fear in the Air with them, and Enter the World of Fantasy was published Source Publication.
Very nice. So you've had a variety of publishers who have also supported you, and it's so wonderful.
Yeah,
And
I
this is
provide I provide versatility also there.
I know, along with your genre, your
I'm
books, your
fully
language.
versatile person.
Well, you are such a versatile person. What else do you do? Do you like listening to music? Do you like singing? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
What about myself, ma'am?
Like, do you like listening to music? What type of music? Who's your
Yeah, yeah.
favorite?
I
Yeah.
like listening to YouTube channels for stories. I like talking to my friends, and
Mm-hmm.
I like writing a lot. It gives me a way of expressing my thoughts.
But very, very
But
nice. Wonderful.
but the
Yeah.
most lovable thing of mine is to work towards these books so that it can reach the heights.
It's wonderful, and it's so inspiring and motivating, and I think this is a message which should go out to everyone, that place, location. I mean, if Akshika can write in ICU, anyone
Body
can write.
limitation doesn't matter.
Sorry.
Body limitation doesn't matter.
Absolutely,
If
yeah,
you
it's
have a heart and mind, na, you can reach up to the highest level of sky.
I think that is a most beautiful message that you've shared today with us, and I'm going to thank you for this. And is there, anyone else that you want to? Okay, sorry, just a minute. Just give me a minute. Sorry. Yes. Yes, I think your father's holding the camera for you. So thank you very much to him. Greetings and
He's
namaste from
holding
my
the
side.
camera for me.
Yeah, thank you very much. And I'll say bye to you now. Do you have any last message for our audience before I say bye to them?
Yeah, I want to say keep dreaming no matter what your circumstances are. Dreams act as oxygen in the suffocated moments of life. If you stop dreaming now, you can't live. And if you are dreaming in your difficult situations, you can reach and live back even if you're dying.
Thank you. Thank you so much for this wonderful message for our audience. Dear audience, if you're watching now or watching later, please go and check Akshika's books, and please do support her, and and send her messages so that she feels more motivated to write more stories about all genres, all versatile messages. And wishing you all the very best, Akshika. And thank you so much for your time. I'll say bye to you now, and we will end the stream here. I
Bye
hope that is okay
bye.
with you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.